Hello and welcome to our video about 10 things successful entrepreneurs do. In this video we will discuss what sets successful entrepreneurs apart from others and what habits and traits contribute to their success. So let's start with this video. They think big. Successful entrepreneurs have a vision for their business and set high goals. They think long-term and plan ahead to achieve their goals. They have a clear idea of what they want to achieve and work hard to turn their vision into reality. Often, they have the courage to tackle things that others consider too risky. An example is Elon Musk, who not only wants to achieve ambitious goals with SpaceX and Tesla, but also turns visionary ideas into reality. They are willing to take risks. Successful entrepreneurs do not shy away from risk and are willing to take unconventional paths. They see opportunities where others only see problems and are willing to take risks for them. They often rely on their own intuition and trust in their abilities. This does not mean that they blindly run into danger, but that they weigh up and make targeted decisions about when and how to take risks. An example is Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, who revolutionized the online world with his courage to change and willingness to take risks. They learn from mistakes. Successful entrepreneurs do not see mistakes as defeat, but as a chance to learn and improve. They are willing to take risks and make mistakes to ultimately be successful. They accept feedback and adjust their strategies to learn from failures. An example is Bill Gates, who initially saw his first business ideas fail before finally having his breakthrough with his company. They have a positive attitude. Successful entrepreneurs have a positive attitude towards life and are optimistic. They believe in themselves and their company and are not discouraged by setbacks. They know that life and business are not always easy, but they still set positive goals and go through life optimistically. An example is Richard Branson, who has built his many successful companies with positive energy and an optimistic mindset. They are determined. Successful entrepreneurs do not give up even when things get tough. They are determined to achieve their goal and work hard for it. They often have a high frustration tolerance and are not discouraged by defeats or setbacks. They have perseverance and know that they can only achieve their goal through hard work and persistence. They are flexible. Successful entrepreneurs are flexible and adapt to changes. They are willing to adjust their strategies and try new ways to achieve their goals. They recognize that the business environment is constantly changing and that they must adapt to remain competitive. An example is Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, who has repeatedly adapted to new conditions to further develop his company. They have a strong network. Successful entrepreneurs build a strong network that helps them promote their business and achieve their goals. They make contacts and maintain relationships with important people in their field. This provides them with support, advice, and the ability to learn from others. An example is Oprah Winfrey, who has become one of the most influential women in the world with her network and influence in the media world. They are focused. Successful entrepreneurs have a clear focus on their goals and work hard to achieve them. They concentrate on their essentials and do not let themselves be distracted by unimportant things. This enables them to achieve their goals faster and be more successful. An example is Warren Buffett, who focuses on his investment portfolio and has become one of the most successful investors in the world through his focus. They have a passion for their business. Successful entrepreneurs have a passion for their business. They love what they do and are dedicated to their work. They are driven by the desire to make a difference and create something unique. Their passion for their business is what fuels their creativity, innovation, and perseverance. They are willing to take risks and make sacrifices to achieve their goals. This passion also helps them to stay motivated during challenging times and to bounce back from setbacks. Entrepreneurs who are passionate about their business are often able to inspire and motivate their team members, customers, and partners. They are able to communicate their vision and values effectively, and they lead by example. This can help to create a positive culture within their organization. and can lead to greater employee engagement and customer loyalty. In short, having a passion for their business is a key characteristic of successful entrepreneurs. It drives their success, inspires others, and helps to create a positive impact on the world around them. Investing in yourself. Successful entrepreneurs invest in their personal and professional development. They constantly educate themselves to improve their skills and stay up to date. They use various forms of training such as books, courses, seminars, or mentors. By investing in themselves, they can fully unleash their potential and make their businesses more successful. An example of this is Tony Robbins, a successful coach and entrepreneur who consistently emphasizes the importance of investing in oneself to achieve success. In conclusion, successful entrepreneurs possess a combination of traits, skills, and strategies that allow them to excel in their field. They have a passion for their business, take calculated risks, are adaptable and resilient, prioritize their customers, and invest in themselves. By following these principles, entrepreneurs can increase their chances of success and make a positive impact on their industry and society. Thank you for discussing this topic with me. I hope our conversation was insightful and informative. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you in the next video.